This brand offers a wide variety of boilers that are made of cast iron. They have stainless steel burners for durability and a built-in air separator to keep air out of the system. The Freestyle model is a wall-mounted condensing boiler with modulating ability. They feature a durable stainless steel heat exchanger and are available in 3 sizes. The warranty on the heat exchanger is good, but the guarantee on most other parts is not as good as other brands. The GWA model is a basic boiler that uses atmospheric combustion. It has a large external draft diverter which takes up added space, but it has a built-in air separator. The GWI models use a draft inducer which allows for sidewall or chimney venting for flexibility. The brand is available in the USA but only through their factory-authorized distributors. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.